Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to check the battery health directly from the settings menu on the Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. So let's go. First open the settings, scroll down and tap on battery. Again scroll down and tap on battery information. And here you can see the battery health percentage, which shows how much capacity your battery has compared when it was new. As a general guideline, if the battery health is between 90 and 100%, the battery is in excellent condition. A battery health between 80 and 89% means normal aging and slightly reduced battery life. If the value drops below 80%, you may notice significantly shorter battery life and a battery replacement should be considered. Please note that the battery health information may only be available on the European version of this phone. Devices from other regions may not show it. And that's all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, leave a like and subscribe for more smartphone tips and tutorials. Bye.